Yeah guys, you are watching NetTech. Today I'm going to tell you how to install Kali Linux in your PC or in laptop. So let's go. First you have to open Google and then search Kali Linux. And you have to search Kali and Linux. Is okay. Kali Linux. You have to search on it and then click on it. When you click it, it will show you the website and the Kali Linux official website. So you see that. So you see that it is the official website of Kali Linux. You have to click on it, as well as you will click on it, then it will show you the whole the home page of the Kali Linux. This is the home page of Kali Linux. It is the download button. When you click on it will show you something, this kind of all images. These are the installer images, which you want to download virtual machine or install image. You have to, you know this is all. Look at this. These are all recommended for you. You have to click on it and it will be downloaded. First you have to download, install it, and install other which image you want to install, virtual machine or this one, whatever you are suggest by yourself, that would be good. I will tell you more video about this one, and we are going to launch ethical hacking, so you must have to subscribe our channel and like our video. Thank you so much.